Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon delivery PIN. This PIN is essential for confirming your identity when a delivery associate arrives with your package, adding an extra layer of security to ensure your order reaches the right person. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving to the next step. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent and past Amazon purchases. Now, while I don't have any active orders at the moment, I'll walk you through what you'd see next. On the Orders page, you'll find a list of all your purchases. Look for the order that is currently out for delivery or specifically requires a PIN for handoff. This is usually indicated by the order status showing it's on its way or arriving today. Once you've located the correct order, click on Track Package or Track Your Package. This button is typically displayed next to the order details and will open a detailed tracking page for that specific delivery. Here you'll see real-time updates about where your package is and when it's expected to arrive. On the tracking page, scroll down to the Delivery Details section. This is where Amazon provides additional information about your delivery. Look carefully for a label that says Delivery PIN or simply a 4-digit or 6-digit code displayed on the screen. This is the PIN you'll need to provide to the delivery associate. If for some reason the PIN isn't visible on the tracking page, don't worry. Check your email inbox for messages from Amazon. Often Amazon sends order updates and delivery notifications that include the PIN. Search for recent emails related to your order and you should find it there. Remember, you should only use this PIN when the delivery associate specifically asks for it. It's a verification step to confirm you're the rightful recipient of the package. And that's it. You've successfully located your Amazon delivery PIN. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.